Introducing Oppo F21 Pro 5G smartphone in rainbow spectrum. It comes in a size of 16 into 7.3 into 0.8 centimeters and weighs 173 grams. It is also available in cosmic black. The phone comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM, expandable up to 1 TB. It features dual 5G SIM and micro SD slot. The 6.43 inches FHD Plus AMOLED Punch-hole Display comes in a resolution of 2400 into 1080 pixels and features a fingerprint sensor. The 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera comes with AI color portrait and dual view video, and the 16 megapixel front camera captures perfect selfies. The phone runs on Qualcomm processor with Android 11 OS. It is powered by 4500 mAh battery with 33 watts Super VOOC charging. The box includes the smartphone, SIM tray ejector and adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.